Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, in my last video lecture, we studied the redox reaction. What is redox reaction? And explain with example. We studied the definition of redox reaction and one example of redox reaction related to oxygen activity. When oxygen combine to forms a product that is called oxidation, and when oxygen remove and forms a product that is called reduction. And you know here when oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in a given chemical equation, then that reaction or equation is called a redox reaction. You know, dear student, today we study the another examples of that redox reaction here. How we study the another examples of redox reaction? Look here, one example in our book, that is twice H2S plus SO2. Look here, example number 1, twice H2S plus SO2, twice H2S plus SO2, that is 3S, that forms 3S plus twice H2O. Means this is one example here. How we study the such example and how we identify oxidation and reduction in this example. Dear student, you know here we can identify the oxidation and reduction in this given equation. Because there is one question, you are given one equation in your question paper and then there is one question, identify the oxidation and reduction in a given equation. And we can identify the oxidation and reduction by indicating the arrow. Look here, that oxygen remove from this SO2 and forms a 3S. Oxygen remove from sulfur dioxide and forms a sulfur 3S. That is called a reduction. Means oxygen gets removed here. Oxygen remove from SO2 and forms a S 3S. That is a reduction. त्याला आपण reduction म्हणतो. And this oxygen gets combined with hydrogen and forms a water. That is called oxidation. That is called oxidation. Means one example of redox reaction. Dear student, look again here. That is oxygen removed from SO2 and forms a 3S. That is a reduction. And oxygen combined with this hydrogen and forms water, that is oxidation. How we explain that oxidation and reduction? Look here, oxidation. What is oxidation here? Oxygen combined with hydrogen. Oxygen combined with hydrogen. Hydrogen forms water is oxidation. What is a reduction here? What is reduction? You know, oxygen removed from sulfur dioxide. Oxygen removed from sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide forms sulfur, that is a reduction. Means in this way, oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in a same equation, given equation, that is called a redox reaction. त्याला आपण redox reaction म्हणतो. Dear student, what is a example 2 here? Example 2, we write the equation of example 2, that is a ZnO plus C. ZnO plus C, that forms here Zn plus CO. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या रिएक्शन मध्ये सुद्धा, या इक्वेशन मध्ये सुद्धा ऑक्सिजन रिमूव फ्रॉम ZnO and forms a zinc, that is reduction. And oxygen, this oxygen combined with carbon and forms a carbon monoxide, that is oxidation. Means look here, that is carbon to carbon monoxide, that is oxidation, and ZnO to Zn, that is a reduction. ZnO2 Zn, that is a reduction, means oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in this equation, and that is called a redox reaction. How we explain here? That is oxidation. How we explain oxidation? Oxygen combined with carbon. Oxygen combined with carbon forms carbon monoxide, forms CO. And what is reduction? What is reduction? Oxygen removed from ZnO. Oxygen removed from zinc oxide. Oxygen removed from zinc oxide, that is said to be the reduction. Means, dear student, that is oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in the same equation, hence that is called a redox reaction. Here we study the two examples of redox reaction related to oxygen activity. Dear student, we can study again one example of redox reaction related to hydrogen activity. You know, related to hydrogen activity, what is oxidation and what is reduction? Related to hydrogen activity, what is oxidation and what is reduction here? We can study the one example related to hydrogen activity there. Look, that is example number 3. H2S plus Cl2. H2S plus Cl2, that gets formed S plus twice HCl. Dear student, there is one equation related to hydrogen activity, and we can indicate by arrow what is oxidation and what is reduction in this activity or in this equation. You know, dear student, related to hydrogen activity, hydrogen combined, that is called reduction, and hydrogen removed, that is called oxidation. Hydrogen combined, that is called reduction, and hydrogen removed, that is called oxidation. Dear student, look here, hydrogen removed from H2S and forms S, that is oxidation. Hydrogen removed from H2S and forms S, that is oxidation. And dear student, the hydrogen combined with this Cl, that is a reduction. That is reduction. Means, in this way, what is oxidation here? What is oxidation? Hydrogen removed from H2S. Hydrogen removed from hydrogen sulfide. From hydrogen sulfide forms sulfur, that is oxidation. Here, what is reduction? What is reduction? Oxygen combined with hydrogen combined with chlorine forms hydrogen chloride, that is reduction. Hydrogen combined with chlorine. Hydrogen combined with chlorine forms hydrogen chloride. Forms hydrogen chloride, that is reduction. Means, in this way, dear student, we can study the three examples in this video lecture of oxidation and reduction related to oxygen activity and hydrogen activity. Hence, you know, dear student, please subscribe my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir to learn a total syllabus of this science paper 1 of 10th class year and also science paper 2 of 10th class. And in this way, here that is the topic of redox reaction and example of redox reaction. Thanks for watching this video.